I'm Bill, the HVAC hacker, and today I'm working on a generator that seems to shut off whenever the AC starts up. Most likely the cause is because the lock rotor amps of the AC is just too much starting force on this 14 kW Kohler/Lennox generator. Let's find out, but I'm sure that's all it is.
Unplug. Plug looks good. Okay. Now, I forgot my rubber mat. Yeah. Second time today. I might have maxed it out right off the bat. Hopefully I'm not dealing with any generators that have bigger threads with this. And I'm going to have problems when I get up for the ones with the 13/16 spark plug sockets. Okay. So almost 130. Off. Try it again. We're almost at 130. Yeah, almost 130 again. Off. I gotta check the back one. Okay. I think I might need to make a fitting for this. Okay, I'm started. I could see this definitely breaking when checking a valve like this. You don't have enough space to really get on. So we're connected. About the same. Okay, so both of my valves are compressing exactly the same. So I'm going to eliminate an engine compression issue, because that can lead to the under frequency and to a machine that's not operating correctly. Now I'm going to wish this back wall wasn't here. Okay, we're out. So it's not a compression issue with the engine. See how these hoses hold up? Not an engine problem on this. So now I'm going to get these plugs back in. These are 0.30. The gaps on these, let's make sure they're properly gapped. Good. Good. They're clean, so I don't have to worry about cleaning them up. No cracks or breaks. Start with the back one. It's the hard one, get it out of the way. I have to go to the second chapter of this call. I'm missing the piece. Let's not waste time here. Just get this in. The LRA is the one that I hate most on this one machine I'm on right now. The magnetic pickup either comes out of calibration okay. That's the next thing I want to test. I want to make sure I got a good spark. Okay, so I just want to make sure I have spark at my plugs. I just picked this up from Harbor Freight. It's the 90-degree spark checker. And if we have a good spark, we will see it right here. Still have one plug to put in also, but for the back area, I bought this for the ones that you just can't get a regular boot on. So now, the front one, just to go back in, so we could check both of them for a spark. Good. Interesting. So doesn't really. That eliminates not getting a good spark. And it also wouldn't light up correctly if the electrode was no good on the plug. So we already visually inspected the plug. Now we have to move on in to the next part. Sorry, you guys are probably looking at boots are on.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how you doing?
Yeah, I see you downstairs, yeah.
That's okay, where the one fall? Right there. Available. Front door. Okay, so I'm leaving my problem. So this generator is just too small, but we're gonna turn on and see. Back in auto. Okay. I'm gonna put all my tools away. And we gotta move inside. Yeah, boom. And we're switching to my HVAC tools. Because the AC now is working okay, 18 amps, capacitor is good. Unfortunately, it's 118 amps start. It's really 180, I think it says on the data tag. Engineers and all these other weird people. Okay. It's nice and have the AC going. Okay. Actually, these I'm going to loosen. These I'm going to take out. I had some weird sound in here. Interesting. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I need an amp draw. Okay, we're on 6 amps, 10 amps. Okay. On the one leg. 11 amps on this leg. Okay. So far, so good. Okay, so we're in generator power, and this seems to be really good. Here's the condenser. Let's see what happens. Stayed on. Okay. $30 amps of 40. Okay, let's give it another 3 minutes. Let's try the AC again. Let's see what's on. Okay, let's turn the AC off for a minute. This guy here, turn him off. Let's give it a few seconds. Okay. Start it every time. Will we get power? No. Okay. Let me turn the air off so it can't come on when I bring the generator back online. Okay, well I got to make it fail. I got to make the whole house fail. So yeah, the generator is just too small. I kind of knew it from the get-go, but what you gotta do is you gotta do what you gotta do. Under voltage, because unfortunately the engine speed dropped too much. It's either gonna get a UF or under voltage, because it can't keep going. It bogs so much. Here we go. Off. Hello? Where'd everybody go? Hello?
Here.
Yeah.
Oh, is that for me?
Yeah. Well, your AC works.
Okay.
You can't have it. You can't have the generator and the AC on at the same time, though, starting.
Well, that's what happened because
You can't. You got to shut the AC off.
I don't know it was going to trip.
But then you go outside. You got to reset it. But then you got to make sure the AC's off and then turn it on. But make
But
sure.
we tried that. What did we do? He tried to put the. He put the generator on manual.
Okay.
He told me go turn the air conditioning, but it
It still doesn't work.
It does today. Is every time. But the problem is if you got. Also, that dehumidifier has to be off in the basement.
Oh, we did. Which one?
The one in the basement has to go off if you want your AC on.
I have two of them.
Both of them.
Oh, you're kidding.
Well, your AC is
But
too
I always
much.
had them. Oh.
But your AC is 180 amps to turn on.
So
Your generator puts 42 amps out.
But that's
So-
only when if I lose electric.
Only if you lose electric and you want
take the plugs there.
take it off.
Oh, I never.
If
did
this
that.
happens, shut the AC off.
Shut the AC.
Turn the dehumidifiers off. Reset the generator. Push it to off.
He's my
And then back on to auto.
God, yeah, he's,
It'll turn the generator on.
okay.
Then start the air conditioner after a couple minutes of it
Oh, I don't
running.
have to worry.
Problem is, if they're both on at the same time, do you hear how much it bogged down?
Oh yeah, it made a loud, funny noise.
All your lights were going off too, and then it came back on.
Yeah.
There's too much starting force on the air conditioner, so it almost shuts your generator off.
Oh,
And that's where you're getting the under frequency because you're losing your 60 hertz. You can't spin the
But I
engine.
always
Oh, that's why.
You need
I
60
don't
hertz of
understand.
power
I don't understand why. How come?
Yeah, but I've
how
always
can you
used
go
those,
under
yeah.
frequency?
Because you need 60 hertz.
Yeah, I
That's
know
what
60
controls the
hertz, I know.
speed.
Yeah.
You lose that kind of hertz when your engine's bogging down because it's overloaded.
But you know, it's funny. I always have those two humidifiers going all summer.
I know, but you usually don't have power failures in the
That's true,
summer.
too. I haven't had it. Baby.
This was mostly probably put in for your sump pump in your backyard, your
It
heat in
was.
case you lost power in the winter, so you wouldn't have to find a hotel.
Right.
And now you're looking to get more luxury things out of it. But when you
Like
initially
what?
put in,
No, I'm-
like air conditioning,
There's a luxury.
that's a luxury.
necessity.
It's 100% tax though, because it's a luxury.
That's a
Heat's a
luxury.
necessity. AC is considered a luxury according to the state of New Jersey.
What is?
We have to tax AC repair.
Really?
Heat repair is untaxable because it's a
Oh,
necessity.
You have to have that because you'll freeze to death.
Yes, pipes burst and all different things.
Yeah, I know.
So here's
Question, but
You'll also
how
get a
come-
UU
a
at
what?
times.
How,
A
how
UU
come,
fault.
you know,
What's
on the
Under voltage.
on the transfer switch there, right? And
You
the
can't
light-
reset it there.
No. The red light keep flashing.
It
What
was
do you mean?
blinking on, and we couldn't
What do
turn
you
it. He
mean?
finally turned
It
off.
probably was blinking because it wasn't working.
Oh,
See you tomorrow,
all right,
Nancy.
John. I'll see you
Bye-bye.
tomorrow
Bye.
morning, 9 o'clock,
Yeah.
9:30. Whatever you get here is good.
Yeah, so if it's blinking, it's probably not working. It's solid red when it's running and powering the house.
Yeah, right, because I noticed that the other day.
Yeah.
The green light, but the other day,
Green lights
yeah,
on when you have power from the pole to your house.
Yeah, right, but
And
the
it's
other
powering
day
your
I just
house.
had the red light from when he turned it on manually, no green lights.
Yeah, but I mean, I got your AC to start about 5
You
times.
did?
The
Oh,
last time,
what happened? Something?
it went off.
Oh, it did?
If
The
it's too
generator
quick,
went off, or
well,
who
see,
went
your
off?
thermostat's also, here's the next
It's
problem.
5 holes it for.
Your thermostat is not a digital thermostat.
No, I never had.
Doesn't wait 5 minutes to come back on. So if you lose
Oh,
power,
okay.
it comes on instantly. If you're running and you're under pressure and your compressor can't start, it'll lock rotor for a few
So
seconds.
can you put a digital thermostat in
You could
there?
always do that in the future.
Yeah.
Yeah, but for
I like the
now, what I would
AC
recommend
one.
is if you lose power,
Don't
turn the AC off. Turn any big power load you have in your house off.
So those dehumidifiers take
They're
power?
using power, yes. They're each compressors. You have compressors
Well,
in
I've
each
been
one
keeping
running.
the other one off because it really doesn't fill up too much. The one in the
The one in the boiler room was off when I got downstairs.
Yeah, I
The other
turned it
one
off.
was cranking away, pulling moisture out of the air.
Well, that one does.
Yeah,
that.
but
so
unfortunately, it's a compressor.
Oh, I
It's
don't
just
know.
like what's in your central air conditioner.
Oh,
It's
really?
probably using about 10 amps of power.
Oh, but I've always used it.
Yeah,
But we
so-
never had this kind of outage either.
Yeah.
Okay. So you solved the problem.
Well, the problem just was that you were probably either trying to start the AC and the generator at the same time.
No, I wasn't doing anything. What happened is I didn't know that the electric was going out, and then all I heard was a big noise.
When you were going outside, you were pushing it to off?
No, I didn't touch it. I called him.
You pushed it to off?
Yeah, I push, I reset it. And
It came
was
on?
already off. Yeah, he got it manually.
It would not run?
So I just restart from outside manually.
But that's the only place you can restart. You got to put it off.
Oh, you can't
Yeah.
do it from downstairs?
No.
Oh, okay.
Downstairs
I put
doesn't.
it off. I put off. Also, you can put it auto too, right?
We auto if you have no
Auto.
power.
Because the toggle switch on this side is
Yeah.
manual.
And you got the
manual.
UF that with the
In the middle is off.
was the UF on the display after you did it?
Yeah.
No, you didn't clear it.
No, did you
The
see
UF
that
would
UF?
disappear.
He's looking about that code.
The
I don't
code.
think while it's running it has that code. It only had it when it wasn't
If
running.
it faults, it has it.
Oh,
If
did
you
you
don't
see that
delete the
code?
fault will stay there and it won't start.
Oh, well, I don't know. I
But
saw
if you-
it.
Yeah, but I push all the way to the right side. It's
Yeah.
reset, right?
And it came
It
on?
reset.
Off, you have to go first. Off,
Yeah, off,
enter. You hit the enter button, which is between the up and down
You
arrow.
want to go over there and just show?
Well, I got downstairs to clean up and everything.
All right.
Oh.
Yeah, the book will tell him how to reset it.
Well,
But
he's usually pretty good because
Yeah.
he does everything himself. so-
yeah,
Everything myself.
The only thing is if he's working or he's sleeping, it's
Yeah.
hard. But yesterday I was lucky he was home.
yeah. But I mean, your generator does work. Your AC works. The problem is your AC uses too much starting force. 180
so what about
amps.
That thing you said you were going to try.
I don't have one. We could order one. It's like rolling the dice, hoping it'll help cut down the starting force. The thing is, it just helps assist the compressor start. It's a hard start kit.
Oh, see, I don't try to put it back on if I know the electric. If I had known the electric was going to go
Yeah.
again in 5 seconds.
But I mean, you may want to consider a digital thermostat. I don't know if you could put one where the stat is or
I
not.
don't know,
But
that's
most
why.
digital stats, as long as they're hardwired R and C for power, when you lose power, they're going to reset. If not, they're going to bring the system right back on because most of them are battery powered. But right now, it happens if you lose power and you get power back, your AC tries to start instantly. That's too much for your generator as it's trying to get
I
going,
can't do that. I know that.
and then it knocks it out.
So I'll just turn it off automatically.
Turn off the AC off. Give the generator a few seconds. Give the
yeah.
AC about 5 minutes.
I have to do like.
And then
5 minutes
start it.
anyway, yeah.
Because the only time I got it to knock it out was if I didn't give it like a couple minutes in between. I just tried to start it too quick.
Yeah.
Because in AC, it's called lock rotor amps just to get the motor going, and 180
power, yeah.
is how much it's rated for. 3 tests, it was 120.
So that's good.
120 amps was your starting force.
Is that
Well,
good? I don't
your
know.
generator is only rated for 42 amps.
Oh, shoot.
That's why.
Under
that's
frequency
why-
because
He
it's
knows
too
what
much of
you're
a bog
talking
down
about.
and
He
it
knows
goes
what
off.
you're talking about. I don't know what you're
Yeah, well the whole
Alright.
thing, that's what controls the speed, is the
I
60
hope-
hertz.
We just got a message from public service about outages, but I don't know what they're talking about.
Allergies?
No, outages.
Oh, outages. Yeah, oh, they're all over the place right now.
No, but they
A lot
said
of the
this
main
was
intersections in
recorded. When he was
Paramus.
here, they called us.
Yeah,
But I don't know. Maybe it was for yesterday's outage. It can't be for today. We didn't have an outage
And you
today.
and last Tuesday, same thing.
Tuesday,
Well,
yeah.
I'm Bill, the HVAC hacker. Thanks for watching. Hit thumbs up and subscribe. Till next time, I'm out. Peace.
And I try not to use it if I can help it.
Your fridge